South Africa has carried forward the outcomes from the previous G20 summits held in New Delhi and Rio de Janeiro, with solidarity, equality and sustainability being the theme of this presidency. It is the first G20 summit being held in Africa during India's presidency of G20 in 2023. The African Union had become a member of the G20 grouping. And DD India correspondent Amritpal Singh tells us more about Prime Minister's engagements today.
That's right. The Prime Minister shall be participating in the G20 summit, which opens today. President Cyril Ramaphosa, along with the leaders of the G20, shall be participating in the opening plenary. Prime Minister Modi is expected to make interventions. He's attending multiple sessions on economic growth, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, a session on disaster risk reduction, a session on how AI and technology and critical minerals in the areas of these, how they can the G20 and the world could work together. I think the Prime Minister's interventions will, of course, talk about specific areas of cooperation in new technologies, in critical minerals, in reducing poverty. But the central theme of the Prime Minister's intervention would be to see that how the world can work together. As he said in his departure statement, he will share his perspective, India's perspective on the developments in the world and what is the way forward. He would be carrying the message of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, one Earth, one family, one future. The Prime Minister also would hold bilateral meetings with world leaders. He could meet the South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. In fact, he's already yesterday held a meeting with the Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese. He's expected to meet more leaders on the sidelines of the G20 summit. He'll also be meeting the leaders of IBSA, that's India, Brazil, South Africa. There will be a summit meeting of the three leaders on the sidelines of the G20.